Let me tell you, one of the hardest things to do, especially within your business, is scale your marketing and advertising campaigns. Well, look, I have the solution for you. That's exactly what we specialize in. We come into your business, we create, manage, and optimize your actual ads for your business, meaning we take a look at what's currently in place, we diagnose it, we do customer research, and again, if you want to be at the top, you want the best ads in your market, we have the solution for you. Go ahead and click the button below. It'll ask you to fill out a few questions about your business just to see if it's going to be a good fit and make sure that we're on the right path as far as where you want to go. From there, you'll be able to book a call with myself and our team, dive really deep into see what's currently in place and show you areas of improvement. If you want to work with us, we may make an offer to you where you can actually work with us personally one-on-one to again create amazing ads for your business, create proper measurability for your business, and scale your advertising campaigns. Click the button below. See you on the other side. Bye.